Hi everyone, welcome to the next video, which is all about creating a login window using Tkinter in Python. Okay, first of all, just like previously, we need to run Tkinter import, and then we're going to window equals tk, and then we're going to set the size of the window, so it's window.geometry. This time, with it being a login window, we don't need it too big, so I'm going to do 300 by 200. Make sure you don't have a gap between the height and width, because otherwise it won't run. Window.title, and I want to just call this a login. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a label 1. So label 1 equals label. Remember, you can change the name of it. I just use label 1. And I'm going to have text equals username. Then I'm going to do label 1.place. And here I'm going to assign it x equals 30, and then y equals 50. Remember, this is in pixels, so it's only 300 high, so I don't want it too low, don't want it too high. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a text box which will be used to enter the user's username. So I'm going to do username equals entry, and I want the text box to just be blank, so let's do that. And I want to do username.place, and I want to place this next to my username. So the y-axes are going to be exactly the same as the label, except the x is just going to be a little bit further along. So I'm going to do x equals 90, y equals 50. So it's the same as the label for the username. And I want to do label 2 equals label, text equals password, and label 2.place. So I want to place this under the previous label for username, but I want it to be in the same location in the x-axis. So I'm going to do x equals 30 as above, then y equals 80 maybe. Hopefully that will be far enough below. Then I'm going to create a second entry box for the password. So password equals entry, text equals speech marks, password.place, and I want this again to be the same y-axis as the password entry box. I want the x-axis to be lower down, so I'm going to do x equals 90. So not x lower down, but wants to be further along. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to create my button. So I'm going to do button 1 equals button, and I'm going to call it text equals login. And I'm going to do button 1.place, x equals 90, y equals 100. Let's try that. And then window.main loop. Okay, so let's run this. So I'm going to do a login window. Run this, see what this looks like. Okay, so that looks pretty good. I could probably do with moving the button down a little bit. If you want the button across as well, then obviously change those particular axes. But I'm just going to change the x-axis to 100, and then maybe the y-axis by 105. Let's just run that and see what that looks like. There we go. There's a little bit of a gap there, and it's a little bit further along. Okay, so I'm going to leave that like that.